Okay, good morning class. So at this point we're looking at the San Susi High School, April 2021, control test 1. Okay, so at this point you guys have completed the paper already. The paper was for 1 hour 45 minutes for 75 marks. Okay. Normally it is 50 marks per hour, but because you guys were not allowed to use a calculator, we have decided to give you an extra couple of minutes on that paper. Alright, so the question says calculate, write the intermediate steps. So in question 1.1, you got 28 minus 4 times 6 divided by 3. So what needs to be done first here? Division with the multiplication. So it's going to be 28 minus 4 times 6 is 24 divided by 3. Now what needs to be done? Division. So it's 28 minus 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 28 minus 8 is? You guys agree with that? If you don't agree, just let me know. And I'll check if I made a mistake, or I can explain to you where you're going wrong. Okay? That's okay? Alright, 1.2. What needs to be done first? Most inner bracket. Okay, so it's going to be 10 plus 5 is 15 times 5 divided by 3 plus 5. That is the outer brackets divided by 6. Now what needs to be done? Multiplication. So 15 times 5 is 75, correct? 75 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 6. What's 75 divided by 3? 25. So it's 25 plus 5 divided by 6. What's 25 plus 5? 30. 30 divided by 6 is? Any confusion there? No? The next one. 1.3. What needs to be done first? Change the improper fraction. So that's going to be 2 times 8 is 16 plus 5 is 21 over 8 minus 9 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 3. So what's your LCM here? Huh? 14. So you're timesing that by 5. So it's going to give you 105 minus, you're multiplying that by 8. So it's 72 multiplied by 4 over 3. You all agree with that? So 105 minus 72. It's going to give you 33. It's going to give you 33 over 40 multiplied by 4 over 3. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 going to 33, 11 times. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 40, sorry, 10 times. So it's going to give you 11 over 10. Any confusion there? No? Am I still correct? Yeah. The next question. What needs to be done first? Is the multiplication. So it's 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Now 0.25 is 25 over 100, which is 1 over 4. It's 1 over 4. I'm going to change this to multiplication, tumbling times. So it's multiplied by 6 over 1. Okay, again we need to do multiplication first. So 6 goes into 6 once, 3 going into 3 once, 3 going to 6 twice. Okay, the board needs to be aligned, but I don't want to, otherwise it will stop working as well. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice. So what are we left with? We left with 2 in the denominator and 1 on top, not so? So what do we have? Well, half plus a half. What's a half plus a half? 1. Oh, 2 over 2, which is 1. People, please note that I do not drop this here. You see that? So I know some of you work with that part only. Do not drop the half, you're changing the sign. Okay? Alright, and then 1.5. Make it a bit bigger, there's a lot of fractions here. What needs to be done first? Change everything to improper. So it's a third, multiply that, 18 over 5, plus, that is 9 over 4, multiplied by 6 over 5 multiplied, no, divided by, no? Divided by 6 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5. Now that I need to change, okay, so that I need to change to multiplication, I need to tumble in times, and that I can simplify. Is there anything, any number that can cancel out there? Yes? 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 8, 10, 6 times. So we're going to have 6 over 5 plus, we need to change. I'm not going to touch anything, I'm not going to cancel anything. I'm first going to change it. Okay? Alright. Anything I can cancel here? Yes. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 4 once. 5 cancels 5. 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 6 twice. So what are we left with? 6 over 5 plus 3 over 2. People, what's your LCM here? 10. Okay, so this must be multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5. So it's going to be 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 plus 15. That's 12 plus 15, 27 over. Is that correct? Alright. The link to this paper will be found in the description box below, okay? Alright, 1.6. What needs to be done first? The brackets. Okay, so you got 5 over 9 into 17 over 20 minus. Now 0.65, yeah, that's right. 0.65 can be written as 65 over 100. So you got 65 over 100. So 5 goes into 65 13 times, 5 goes into 100 20 times. So it's going to be 13 over 20. People, you guys understand? Alright, so there's going to be 13 over 20 divided by, but this can change to multiplication, not so. Multiply by 21 over. I think we did the sum yesterday, no? If I'm not mistaken. It's going to be 5 over 9 multiplied by. Now what's 17 minus 13? 4. It's 4 over 20 multiplied by 21 over 2. So 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 20, 5 times. 5 cancels 5. 3 goes into 9, 3 times, 3 goes into 21, 7 times. Is there anything else that can cancel here? So we left with 20, 7, 2, and 3. We all agree with that? So 7 over 3 times 2 is 6. Who got that right? Alright. Let's carry on. Question 2. Question 2 says simplify. 2.1, you got 13 squared minus 5 cubed. 13 squared is 13 times 13, not so, which is 169 minus 5 cubed is 125. So that's 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. So 169 minus 125 is 4. 12 minus 16 minus 12 is 4. 44. Is 44 correct? Right. You guys can't talk, no? You scared of me? Huh? No? You just talk. You call out the answers. Okay. People, 2 cubed is what? 8. How do you get 8? 2 times 2 times 2. So it's going to be 8 into 7 squared, 49, minus 45 squared. You all agree with that? Right. What is happening between 8 and the bracket? Multiplication. Not so. So it's going to be 8 multiplied by 49 minus 45, 4, and 4 squared.